Thank you for purchasing TheraCal LC. You are a rock star. So how do you get started? If the pulp is exposed after completing cavity preparation and achieving hemostasis, block the preparation with a sterile cotton pellet, but be sure to leave dentin visibly moist. Place the tip on the syringe and apply a small amount of TheraCal LC to the exposed pulp in 1 millimeter or less per incremental layer. Light cure each layer for 20 seconds. Proceed with restoring the tooth following manufacturer's instructions. Before you get rockin', here's a pro tip to keep in mind. It's important that TheraCal LC is applied to visibly moist dentin in layers that do not exceed 1 millimeter. This will ensure your restoration is properly cured and won't flake off. Don't forget to consult the instructions for more information. As always, we are there for you. Call 1-800-247-3368 with any questions. Rock on!